Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, Sirius Satellite Radio, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear window wiper. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.